Hi, and welcome to Rural Art Connection, the place where your boredom ends, where your creativity begins. Today we're making
Valentine's Day DIY anime cards video. I figure you can also use this for birthday cards. So you could really change this into any kind of card you want. It doesn't have to be Valentine's Day. So this is the template that I used for the first card that I made, which is the Pokemon card. I used just like a red solo cup, traced it 3 times side by side, made sure that there's a little bit of overlap, and then you cut them out. And so it looks like a weird caterpillar thing. Something like, you know, the hungriest caterpillar. And then I folded it to make sure that they lined up inside each other. And so there are some parts that I had to trim to polish it up, but you don't trim where they connect to each other. So there's that part where they're touching. Don't mess with that part. Then for the bottom of the Pokeball, I cut the bottom piece in half because I only need half of it to be the white part of the Pokeball. And I was trying to make the inner circle, didn't like it, found a bottle cap that works better, so I can get a perfect circle, or as close to it as possible. And then you gotta do your lines, and I didn't have a ruler, so I used a bill. Gotta use whatever works, right? It's got a straight edge on it. So then we're gonna do the inner circles inside the Pokeball, and you can see my kids walking by casting shadows. That's adorable. And then we're gonna cut the excess off of the bottom. Oh look, I made another one by accident. And my son brought me a snack. So then we're gonna cut the excess off the bottom and paint it. But that video magically disappeared off of my camera. So this is me drawing a Dragon Ball. And the picture up in the upper left-hand corner is my template. This circle template you can pretty much use for any type of anime card that you want, as long as you find things in the show that are circular. And the final product. Ta-da! And I made 3 different kinds of inserts for the Dragon Radar, so I can't do it without you. We make a great team. And then the third one is I found you, be mine. So you could do this for like a friend, you could do this for your boyfriend, your girlfriend, you know, and then this one, the Dragon Ball, I wished for you to be mine. Because, you know, you can make wishes with the Dragon Balls. And then I choose you because you're the very best. Because in the show it's always like, I want to be the very best. So yeah, ta-da! So then if you want to make these into birthday cards, you just change up the interior of what they say.
If you like that video, please like, share, and subscribe. And comment what you think we should do next. And I'll catch you in the next one.